Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to Metamask. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then firstly go to Metamask, then log into your Metamask account. Now after that, what you have to do is just simply click on the option of receive right over here and then copy this address. Now make sure to choose the proper network over here because we are choosing BNB chain. So make sure to choose the proper network. You can also add network if you want to. Now once you have chosen a network, go to your Bybit account. So wait for it to log in. And then once it is logged in, all you have to do is just simply go to asset section right over here. And then click on withdraw. Then all you have to do is click on the chain option and choose whatever crypto you are choosing to send. So in my case, I'm going to send Ethereum and then paste the address that you just copied from Metamask. Then in the chain type, choose ERC20 or whatever chain you're using. And make sure to choose the proper chain because if you pick the wrong chain, you will lose your crypto forever. Then after that, enter your desired amount that you would like to withdraw from Bybit to Metamask. And then in the end, click on confirm. Once you have done that, within a few minutes or seconds, the crypto will be transferred from your Bybit to your Metamask account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.